Hey everyone, it's Inked here, and today we are going to be making a craft. I'm going to be making a little paper bird. It's a very cute bird, and I thought you guys would like this craft. So I'm just going to list the materials before we get started. You're going to need a glue stick. Any kind of glue is fine. A pair of scissors. Different kinds of colored paper. I just have small ones that I got from a drawer. And you're going to need some different color assortment of crayons or markers. Markers are way better, or like paint or something, to decorate your bird. And you're going to need a pen or a pencil, anything that really colors dark. Or you can just have any old black marker. I think I have one over here, but that's okay. So I just want to get started. So the first thing that you're going to do is get any kind of color paper that you... Oh, I have a Sharpie, which might work way better, so I'm just going to scrap this idea. So get any color paper that you want. I'm going to choose, I think, maybe this color. I like pink. Not a really big fan, but that'll do for now. So you're going to need two colors to make one bird, and these are really cute ones. So I'm just going to get my pink, and I'm going to carve the edges so that I have a circle. So look, this will turn out very nice and cute. I loved how the craft looked, and I immediately had to do it with you guys. So here's my little circle. It looks pretty nice. So I'm just gonna take my circle, I'm gonna fold it in half now that it looks like a pink taco. And then for my second color, I think I'll choose purple because it matches. So I'm gonna just cut it. Okay. So you cut it to be like an M. I don't know why I just said it like that. An M. Looks like an M. Like this. I chose purple, but it might look a little bit blue. Okay, so you have to measure it to fit on top of your kind of taco or something. You want the pointy side to be on the back, and you just want to put it like under the bird, so that'll be its tail. I'm going to use my glue. This is looks like this gold glue. It's purple. You can use like one of those clear glues or liquid glue, but glue sticks work very nice for this. So I'm just going to take this and put a little bit of glue right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's how it looks. So I'm going to place it under my bird. Actually, I did it the wrong way, so I'm just going to flip it over like that. I folded it on the other side. So now, just pop it right under your bird, and it'll fit perfectly like this. So next I want to get to the drawing of the bird, the original bird. So this is how you do it. Oh, and you'll also need you're also going to need an orange paper for this, for like the beak and stuff, but we're not there yet. So I'm just going to make two cute little eyes like this for the eyes, of course. On both sides there's an eye like that. And I'm just going to take a blue marker. That's the color that I like. I'm going to take a blue. And here's what you're going to do. You're going to take your bird, and with the color that you chose, you're going to just make a nice little pattern like this. See? And then you're going to flip it over and do the same exact pattern so that it looks very similar to the other side. I'm just going to color it in, and then I'm going to go with that. See? And now the only thing missing is our beak. So this is how the bird looks so far. It looks pretty weird. But I'm just going to set everything aside and grab an orange or yellow paper. This is how it looks. I'm just going to cut a little beak like this. It looks like this. I didn't really cut a perfect triangle, so I'm just going to carve it to the shape that I want it to be like this. And then I'm just going to fold it like this. And fold it till it reaches the tip. And now I'm going to grab my bird and do the kind of the same thing I did for the tail. Just place it right under with some of my school glue. So I'm just going to put a little bit under here. And then I'm just going to slip it right under the bird like this. And now it looks just like a cute little bird. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and bye!